Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Twins podcast, the place where learning English feels simple, friendly, and fun.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack, and this is my twin sister, Emma.
And before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoy learning English with us.
All right, today's topic is super important and also very human.
We're talking about feelings.
Yes, feelings, emotions, how to talk about what's happening inside your heart and your mind in simple daily English.
Because when you can express your feelings, your relationships become healthier, your English becomes more natural, and your confidence grows.
Exactly. And we'll show you real examples, easy vocabulary, and small sentences you can use every day. Let's start with something simple. Emma, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling happy today. I had a good breakfast.
Of course you did. You always feel happy when you eat pancakes.
Yes, pancakes equals happiness. What about you, Jack?
I'm feeling relaxed today. I took a long walk this morning.
Nice. Okay, friends, listening. Repeat after me. I'm feeling happy.
I'm feeling relaxed.
Good. Now, let's teach some more feelings. Jack, what's a feeling people can use when they are not okay?
A simple one is, I feel sad.
Yes, short, clear, and honest. And you can also say, I'm upset. It means something is bothering you, but maybe you don't want to explain everything.
Right. It's like a soft way to say you're not okay.
Repeat after us. I feel sad.
I'm upset.
Good job. Now, let's talk about stronger feelings. Jack, what do you say when something makes you really angry?
I say, I'm angry. Or, if I'm very angry, I'm really angry.
Yes, but Jack rarely gets angry. He only gets angry when someone touches his snacks.
Hey, snacks are important. They're emotional support food.
Okay. Let's teach a positive feeling now. What's a good word when something makes you excited or full of energy?
I feel excited. Like when you're waiting for a fun trip.
Yes, or when your favorite show has a new episode.
Friends, repeat. I feel excited.
Now, let's do a mini quiz. Yay!
Yes, mini quiz time. I'll say a situation and you guess the feeling.
All right, number 1. You passed your exam. You got a good grade. How do you feel?
Are you happy? Proud? Excited?
If you guessed any of those, great job.
Okay, number 2. Your friend didn't call you back. You waited all day. How might you feel?
Maybe upset or disappointed?
Yes, disappointed is a great word. It means you expected something, but it didn't happen.
Okay, number 3. You're going on vacation tomorrow. How do you feel?
Excited. Very excited.
Good. Now, let's talk about softer feelings. For example, when you feel a little tired, but also a little lazy.
That feeling, I think the word is I feel low. Sometimes people say I feel down.
Yes, repeat after me. I feel down. It means your mood is not high today.
Emma, what about when someone feels nervous or worried?
I feel nervous or I feel worried. Very simple.
Can you give an example, Emma?
Sure. I feel nervous before a job interview. Or I feel worried when my friend is sick.
Nice examples. Friends, repeat. I feel nervous.
I feel worried.
Now, let's teach how to ask someone about their feelings. Very useful in daily life.
Yes. You can say, how do you feel?
Or a little softer. How are you feeling today?
If someone looks sad or tired, you can say, are you okay?
And if you want to be extra kind, you can say, do you want to talk about it?
Jack, can you pretend you're sad and I'll ask you?
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, Jack, you look a little down. Are you okay?
I'm feeling a bit stressed today.
Do you want to talk about it?
Maybe later, but thanks.
See? Simple, caring, and very natural.
Now let's talk about how feelings can be a little or a lot. English uses small words to show size.
Yes, like, I'm a little tired means not too much.
But I'm very tired means a lot.
And I'm really tired is even stronger.
Repeat a little tired,
Very tired.
really tired.
Good. Now, let's do a quick listening challenge. I'll say a sentence and you guess the feeling.
Okay, number 1. My cat is missing. I can't find her.
Feeling worried.
Number 2. I got a promotion at work.
Feeling excited or proud.
Number 3. I didn't sleep well last night.
Feeling tired.
Number 4. My friend forgot my birthday.
Feeling upset or disappointed.
Okay, let's teach some useful small expressions that sound very natural.
Yes, like, I'm in a good mood.
I'm in a bad mood.
I'm stressed out.
I feel calm.
I feel confused.
Confused is very useful. It means things don't make sense in your mind.
Jack, what about when someone feels nothing? Like, emotionally tired?
Ah, yes. People say, I feel empty. It's deep, but very real.
Yes, and sometimes you can say, I just don't feel like doing anything.
Okay, friends, repeat, I don't feel like doing anything.
Now, let's make a small role play. I'll be a student feeling stressed. You be the friend.
Okay, ready?
Hey, I feel really stressed today.
Why? What happened?
I have too much work and not enough time.
I see. Do you want to take a break? Maybe go for a walk?
Yeah, maybe that will help.
Perfect. Friends, you can use the same pattern with anyone.
Speaking of patterns, Jack, let's teach the structure I feel plus adjective.
Yes, it works for almost every emotion. I feel happy, I feel tired, I feel scared.
Let's try this. I say the emotion, you say the sentence. Ready?
Happy,
I feel happy.
bored,
I feel bored.
lonely.
I feel lonely.
Good. And friends listening, say it with us.
Now, Jack, let's teach one more useful thing. How to tell someone your feelings without being too strong.
Oh, yes, these softeners are useful. Like, I'm feeling kind of tired.
Or, I'm feeling a bit sad today.
These make your English sound more natural and gentle.
Repeat, kind of tired.
A bit sad.
Nice. Now, Jack, what's a feeling you had recently?
Yesterday, I felt overwhelmed.
Why? What happened?
I had too many emails, like 300.
That would make anyone overwhelmed. Okay, let's teach that word.
Overwhelmed means there is too much happening, too many things, too much stress.
Friends, repeat, I feel overwhelmed.
Emma, what about you? What feeling did you have last night?
Last night, I felt peaceful. I listened to slow music.
Oh, wow. Peaceful is a nice one. It means your mind is quiet and calm.
Repeat, I feel peaceful.
Okay, now let's practice a small conversation. Friends, listen and try to repeat some lines.
How do you feel today?
I feel pretty good. What about you?
I feel a little tired.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please.
Coffee solves everything.
Yes, it does.
Now, let's talk about body feelings, not emotions, physical feelings.
Good idea. Like, I feel cold.
I feel hot.
I feel sleepy.
I feel hungry. That one is me every day.
True. Jack is always hungry.
Okay, let's teach one more fun expression.
Sure. Which one?
The phrase mixed feelings.
Oh, good one. Mixed feelings means you feel two things at the same time.
For example, I'm happy I got a new job, but I'm sad to leave my old team.
Yes, that's mixed feelings.
Repeat, I have mixed feelings.
We're teaching so many emotions today. This is great.
Yes, because English is not just words, it's feelings too.
And when you can express your feelings, you can connect with people better.
Exactly. Sometimes you don't know what you feel until you try to say it in words.
That's so true. When you speak it, it becomes clearer. Like, oh, okay, this is what's happening inside me.
And that's why today's lesson is important. Talking about feelings is not only English practice, it's emotional practice.
Exactly.
Now, let's teach some common daily sentences people use when talking about emotions in real life.
Yes. For example, people often say, I'm not in the mood.
Oh, I say that a lot. Laughs. Especially when Emma asks me to clean the kitchen.
Hey, that's because you're never in the mood to clean.
Okay, fair point. But yes, friends, I'm not in the mood means you don't want to do something right now.
Repeat after us. I'm not in the mood.
Great. Another useful one is I need some space.
Yes. It doesn't mean physical space. It means you need a little time alone.
If you feel stressed, tired, or overwhelmed, you can say, I need some space.
Repeat after us. I need some space.
Emma, what's another natural sentence?
I'm trying my best. This one shows your feelings and your effort.
Yeah, it's a beautiful sentence. It shows you're trying even if things are hard.
Repeat after me. I'm trying my best.
Okay, now I want to teach a phrase many English learners forget.
Which one?
It's okay to feel this way.
Oh, that's deep one.
Yeah. Sometimes when people feel sad, guilty, or anxious, they think something is wrong with them.
But feelings are normal. They come and go. So saying it's okay to feel this way is very comforting.
Friends, repeat, it's okay to feel this way.
Nice. Now let's practice a small emotional check-in. Jack, you ask me questions and I'll answer.
Okay, how are you feeling today, Emma?
I feel a little tired, but also happy.
Why happy?
Because we're recording this podcast. I love talking to our students.
Aw, that's sweet. Okay, next. Are you stressed about anything?
Maybe a little. I have a lot of work this week.
Do you want to talk about it?
Maybe later, but thanks.
See, friends, very natural. Short sentences, easy English.
Now let's do the opposite. I'll ask you.
Okay, go.
Jack, how are you feeling mentally today?
I feel calm. I slept well last night.
Are you worried about anything this week?
Not really. Maybe just a bit nervous about my presentation.
Do you feel prepared?
Kind of, but I'm trying my best.
Nice. Good example. Now let's teach more useful emotional vocabulary.
Hopeful.
Oh, yes. Hopeful means you feel positive about the future.
For example, I feel hopeful about my goals.
Repeat. I feel hopeful.
Grateful. This one is beautiful too.
Grateful means you appreciate something. You feel thankful. For example, I feel grateful for my family.
Or, I'm grateful for my friends.
Repeat. I feel grateful.
Here's a fun one. I feel proud.
Yes. Proud means you feel good about something you did.
Friends, you can say, I feel proud of myself. That's a powerful sentence.
Say it with us. I feel proud of myself.
Nice. Now let's talk about emotional honesty.
Good idea. Many learners know how to say I'm fine or I'm good, but they don't know how to be honest about deeper feelings.
Yes, and honesty makes your English sound more mature and natural.
For example, I'm not okay today. Simple, powerful.
Or, I feel lonely. It happens. It's normal.
Repeat. I feel lonely.
Now let's teach a very soft way to express a negative feeling.
I'm feeling a bit off today.
Yes, it means something feels wrong, but you don't know why.
Say it with us. I'm feeling a bit off today.
Now let's show how feelings can change during the day.
Like, I felt tired in the morning, but I feel better now.
Yeah, or I was angry earlier, but now I'm calm.
Repeat. I feel better now.
I'm calm now.
Great. You're doing amazing.
Let's play another quick game. Emotion match. I'll say a situation. Emma says the emotion. Friends, guess before she answers.
Ready? Situation 1. You lost your keys.
Frustrated.
Situation 2. Someone gives you a surprise gift.
Happy or touched.
Situation 3. You have an important interview tomorrow.
Nervous.
Situation 4. Your best friend moves to another city.
Sad.
Situation 5. You finally finish a big project.
Relieved.
Relieved means the stress is gone. Okay, now let's teach how to respond to someone's feelings.
Yes, super useful.
If someone is sad, you can say, I'm here for you.
Or, do you want to talk?
If someone is excited, you can say, wow, that's great.
If someone is worried, you can say, it will be okay.
If someone is angry, you can say, take your time.
Repeat, I'm here for you.
It will be okay.
Good job. Let's teach a small communication trick.
Oh, yes, the because trick.
Exactly. When you talk about your feelings, add a reason using because. It sounds more natural.
For example, I feel tired because I slept late.
I feel nervous because I have an exam.
I feel happy because I finished my work.
Try it now, friends. Say, I feel blank because blank. Nice. Now let's talk about emotional boundaries.
Ooh, that's an important one.
Yes, when you don't want to talk about something, you can say, I don't want to talk about it right now.
Repeat. Not right now.
Say it kindly and people will understand.
Another helpful line is, I need a moment.
Simple, natural, very human.
Jack, let's share some feelings people often feel at night.
Okay. At night, many people feel reflective.
Yes, reflective means quiet and thinking about life.
Some people feel anxious at night.
Or peaceful when the day is over.
I feel peaceful at night. Repeat that.
I feel anxious at night.
Great. Let's end today's conversation with motivation.
Yes, here's a simple truth. Your feelings are important.
In talking about them is brave.
And learning how to express them in English makes you stronger.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments what you want us to talk about next.